My name is Jason Thielbahr. I'm the head of schools at Clearview Girls Academy. On behalf of the 80-plus employees and the over 800 families that we have served over the last 27 years, we are excited to partner with you. The big 7 reasons why families have chosen Clearview for over 27 years starts with the quality and frequency of therapy. Our licensed clinical professional counselors specialize in dialectical behavioral therapy, trust-based relational intervention, cognitive behavioral therapy, EMDR, and equine therapy. That combined with individual family system work and group therapy is going to get your daughter the help they need to get moving and get back home to their restored family. Happy customers is the second big reason why families have chosen us for the last 27 years. We've helped over 800 families in this time period to get the help they need to get their daughter back home and onto that inspirational path of purpose. You know, a lot of the families come to us at the end of their hope and at the end of their rope, and we help them connect to a pathway forward for their family. We are family system specialists. The cornerstones of our program is faith, family, finish, and forever, and together they create enduring change. The third big reason why families have chosen us for over 27 years is our academic program. Clearview is a fully accredited middle school and high school. Your daughter is not going to lose academic momentum. In fact, she can do all the credit recovery she needs and get ahead. Most of our Clearview students actually do 2 years worth of school in 1 year. In fact, we have a high school graduation tomorrow, and we're excited to be a part of that. The fourth big reason why families have chosen Clearview for over 27 years is Mother Nature. At Clearview, Mother Nature is on the treatment team. We provide your Clearview student a warm ranch-style environment in the middle of Mother Nature as only Montana can provide. Mother Nature is a big part of the healing and treatment plan here. It matters. The fifth big reason why families have chosen Clearview for over 27 years is our parent workshops and our parent engagement programs. Clearview provides families so much opportunities to engage and build community. Do you want to know what the secret sauce is? Building an engaged family community. You're going to be given opportunities to come to a parent workshop, participate in Zoom training sessions, participate in the Saturday morning coffee social. Clearview is an Arbinger certified facility, so we provide living with an outward mindset trainings as well. We know how to restore your family. Let's do it together. The sixth big reason why families have chosen Clearview for over 27 years is our life skills preparation courses. We help your Clearview student get prepared for independent living. That's stuff like managing financials, working on meal preparation, cooking classes, those sort of things. It gets them ready for that inspirational path of purpose that's waiting for them. The seventh big reason why families have chosen Clearview for over 27 years is that we are a faith-based program. We're going to teach your Clearview student about choosing love over fear, about forgiveness, accountability, truth, safety, gratitude, and seeking joy. At Clearview, we create a safe space for the Holy Spirit to do the work. Clearview is excited to partner with you. Let's take the next step. Start by subscribing to our newsletter, and you can connect to us through either 3 ways. You can send us an email at hello@clearviewhorizon.com. You can call our 1-800 number at 888-796-5484, or you can visit our website and fill out the inquiry form. We are excited to partner with you to help your clients restore their family.